Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be showing you how to do this easy shrimp stir fry with seared tuna. So right now we're just getting some oil down on the Blackstone. We're going to let it come up to temperature. We got the 3 burners running at a medium heat right now. Got the last burner to the right off. This is another cheap meal that turns out great. So as we get the oil down, we just picked up this bag of ginger garlic veggies. Comes with a sauce. Found it in the produce section of my grocery store. Just make sure you grab the packet of sauce, set that aside. Right now we're just gonna saute up these vegetables a little bit. So where them veggies are going, we got a couple nice tuna fillets. We're just gonna hit them with a little bit of blackening seasoning. We're gonna pat it in a little bit. We're just gonna drop them right down in the middle of the griddle top. These aren't gonna take long. We're gonna come in on the other side with a little more of that blackening seasoning. Get back to the veggies here. Keep moving them around a little bit. We're going to come in with that shrimp. Ideally, you want to drain them out of the bag. I poured all that water that was in there with them. I'll just get rid of that. No big deal. These shrimp are a product of the USA. My dad showed me, if you look on the bag, you can see where the shrimp comes from. So every time I go to the supermarket now, I try to get the ones that are a product of the USA. We're just going to get them mixed in with the veggies. We're going to let them go a little bit. We're going to come in with a little clarified butter. Drizzle it right next to the tuna steaks, a little bit on top of the veggies with the shrimp. And we flip them steaks right before we put that clarified butter down. Just been going about a minute or so longer. We're just going to stand them up on the sides and try to get a nice sear on the sides of them too here. It's not going to take long, nothing but a couple seconds. We're going to flip them down. We're going to move them all the way over to the cool side. You see them shrimp are starting to turn color. They're just about done too. We're going to give them a nice little one last mixing. You can come right in with that packet of sauce that you got in the bag of the veggies. Make sure you get it all in there. Just toss everything around so everything gets a nice coating of it. There you have it. Throw everything into a bowl and set that aside. Pull the tuna steaks off. Plate it up. We hit it with some sesame seeds. There you see the tuna. Still pink in the middle. That's delicious with the blackening seasoning. And that shrimp stir fry came out delicious too. This is another delicious meal. You can make it in a few minutes on the Blackstone. Why don't you give it a try? As always, thanks for watching.